Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hit flying enemies in Expedition 33. In Expedition 33, there are certain types of enemies that you can only fight by doing a different type of attack or different element that they are weak to. One such case would be the flying enemies that will have a high chance of dodging your abilities and normal attacks. These enemies completely nullify any damage from an attack or even an ability. The sure effective way to fight them would be to shoot them instead. They can't dodge it at all, dealing the maximum amount of your weapon. Now do keep in mind that this will cause you some AP, so it's better to have a build that can help with replenishing any lost AP from shooting down flying enemies. This fighting mechanic becomes essential later on in the game when you arrive in Seren. The majority of the normal enemies in that area are all flying enemies, so be prepared with builds that will complement the use of the shooting mechanic. And that's how to hit flying enemies in Expedition 33.